Doctors and nurses are worried about bringing COVID-19 home to their families, but a Houston university has stepped up to house these first responders. Here's Anayeli Ruiz.
Meet Frances Homer. She's a local nurse that works at Bentop Hospital.
I was needing somewhere to self-isolate from my family while I worked during this pandemic.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, Frances was staying away from her two kids and her mother, who is over the age of 60.
Yes, I contracted COVID back in April, working in the ER.
And after she contracted COVID-19 in April, Frances was looking for a place to self-isolate that wasn't expensive. And she came across the University of St. Thomas. The university has decided to offer their empty dorms to healthcare workers that needed a place to stay.
It was, well, hey, what if we were able to make these now vacant rooms available to the various first responders throughout the Houston community?
In April, the university partnered with Baylor Hospital and Harris Health to provide the nurses and doctors with a place to stay, Wi-Fi, and even food. Everything at no cost to those on the front lines.
We know that these individuals are heroes, and we felt that it was our duty to be able to provide whatever we can to try to remove just a little bit of stress that they're bearing the brunt of during these really challenging times.
In these months, St. Thomas has been able to house 81 healthcare workers, a gesture that has really helped take some stress away from the doctors and nurses that are already dealing with so much.
And having to go through like fighting the pandemic in long hours and many days straight of working, it was nice to be able to have something like this offered to us.
The free housing program will end at the end of this month. The dorms will be cleaned out and prepped for those students in the fall. Anayeli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.